Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the new topic of a same unit called as the what introductions of polymers. Yes, clear now. We discuss here the what is a viscous rayon. It is a one type of polymer which is prepared by the cellulose. You know cellulose. Cellulose is come from the wood pulp. Clear. So how to prepare a what? Viscous rayon. Viscous means what? It indicates a dryness. Viscous indicates a dryness. Rayon is a one type of semi-synthetic fiber which is prepared by the any types of cellulose. It is also called as what here? Different types of process. The viscous rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber. The viscous rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber. It means it is prepared. It is first come from the natural and it is some added a chemical to change in artificial. So it is called as semi-synthetic fiber. Clear? Now second point, cellulose in the form of wood pulp is transferred into the viscous rayon. यानी हम जब भी viscous rayon को prepare करेंगे in artificially, so first of all we take a wood pulp of cellulose. Wood pulp of cellulose and what transfer into what here? Viscous rayon. Clear? Now third point, the cellulose have the molecular formula C6H10O5. Its structure also studied in a biomolecule unit. Clear? Structure of cellulose it's also studied in which chapter? Biomolecule जो हमारा बाकी है ठीक है. Okay, so the molecular formula of cellulose is what here? C6H10O5 by N and indicate here the polymers. So the cellulose is also one type of what here? Polymers. Clear? Okay, now next cellulose. This CE double L indicates cellulose. This cellulose regenerated cellulose which it converted to what here? Viscous rayon. Clear? So CE double L indicate what here? Cellulose. This OH means what? It's the molecular formula of a viscous rayon is cellulose OH. Cellulose OH is the molecular formula of viscous rayon. Clear? Is called as viscous rayon. Clear? The Cl is cellulose OH is also called as what here? Viscous rayon. So how to prepare the viscous rayon? We take the chemical reactions. Clear? Now it is the chemical reactions how to prepare about viscous rayon. So how to prepare? Now we take here the first of all we take here the cellulose OH called as what? It is called as CPW. Means what? It is called as the cellulose pulp wood. What indicates CPW? C indicates cellulose, P indicate pulp, W indicate wood. Cellulose pulp wood. First of all we take the word cellulose pulp wood. Formula ClOH. It is also called as the viscous rayon, but we take some chemical reactions. It is the first what? Cellulose pulp wood. If we change the we added some chemical, it's the molecular formula of what? Viscous rayon also is CLLOH, but it's a what? Transfer. अभी कंफ्यूजन मत होगी, कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा फिर सर आप बता रहे ClOH जो है वो जो है तो सेल्यूलोज पल्प वुड भी है और सेकंड ClLOH जो लास्ट में जो प्रिपेयर हो रहा है तो वो क्या है? विस्कस रेयन. आपको पता है कि द विस्कस रेयन इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कम फ्रॉम द सेल्यूलोज वुड पल्प. So its molecular formula is same as to the what here? The viscous rayon, but we added some chemical. Clear? Okay. Now how to prepare a what? Cellulose rayon? We take the chemical reactions. Clear? Now when the cellulose pulp wood formula ClCOH react with a sodium hydroxide as a alkali or base. So what we get? We get here the what? AC indicate what here? Alkali cellulose. Why alkali? Because we added alkali means base. Which base? Na strong base. Okay. Now the reaction is what happen? In this reaction, simple reaction will take here this OH and this one is are lost and this Na is added to O. So what we get? We get C double L single bond O N A. O have a charge negative, Na charge positive. It is called as what? AC. AC called as what? AC called as alkali cellulose. Clear? Now in second step, these alkali cellulose is a react with further CH2 means carbon disulfide. CH2 means carbon disulfide. CH2. What we get? We get a CH. CH called as cellulose xanthate. Cellulose X indicate what? Xanthate. Cellulose xanthate. How this reaction happen? In this reaction, this COO as it is. Okay. Now reaction takes place in between CH2 and ONA. CH2 and ONA. What we get? Now we get here these reactions. We get a CX. Cellulose xanthate. How this reaction happen? So this COO as it is. Clear? Now this one carbon is react with this one sulfur. Sulfur atoms react with oxygen. A remaining S is react with a what? React with a this what indicated C. Clear? So this okay. In this reaction, this CH2 is added in between this oxygen and sodium. A remaining sulfur is a react with a sodium. So what we get? We get COO single bond C. This C and one S, C and double bond S. Remaining this one S and Na. What we get? S and A. In this reaction, only we added a CH2 in between the oxygen and sodium. So CS one atom of carbon, one atom of sulfur added in between the oxygen and sodium. We get here this a remaining sulfur attached to sodium. So what we get? We get COO, C double bond S, single bond S and A, called as the cellulose xanthate. Now this cellulose xanthate further react with a water molecule called as hydrolysis. In this reaction, we added a water molecule called as hydrolysis or addition of a water molecule. Clear? What we get? This cellulose xanthate is react with a water molecule. What we get? We get here regenerated alkali. NH called as in this reaction step third we get as what? Regenerated sodium hydroxide alkali, or we get a complex. What we get here? Complex as well as regenerated sodium hydroxide. Formula NaOH is lost. In this reaction, NaOH lost. Clear? How this reaction happens? Simple we take reactions. This Na, this one O, this one H will be goes as NaOH. Now hydrogen atom of single attached to S. So what we get? We get COO, C double bond S, SH plus NaH. Clear? Now further, this complex is a react with a what? This complex when added in the acid bath. This complex when added in the acid bath, what? Acid bath in presence of water molecule. What we get? This complex will be break down. This complex will be break down into the what? Original or into the viscous rheon, or also called as what here? Regenerated cellulose filaments. Clear? How this reaction happen? So simple. These H attached to this oxygen atom. So what we get? We get C double L as it is OH. C double L as it is OH. Remaining part this C, this S2. What we get? This CH2 are losses. Yes, what we get? We get CH2. We generate CH2 called carbon dioxide. In this way, the viscous rheon is formed. Clear? Simple. Reaction easy है थोड़ा समझ के लेना है. In first step we added NaOH. Clear? Change into AC called as what here? What indicate AC alkali? What? Cellulose. In the second step, this alkali cellulose is further react with CH2 carbon disulfide. What we get? CX called as a xanthate. Cellulose xanthate. Now this further react with a water molecule. What we get? We get a complex as well as NaOH. This complex break down in added in a acid bath or spinning machine. What we get? We get here the cellulose, rayon, originated cellulose, filament, and a loss of CH2 carbon dioxide. Now uses of this rayon. So rayon is a one type of polymers which is used in different types of cloth also. Different types of cloth also. Clear? Okay, different types of designing paper. Clear? It's the uses of the rayon. Okay. Now question next is there. Write down the explanation of what is the molecular masses and degree of dissociation or degree of dissociation of polymerization. What is the molecular masses and degree of polymerization called as a DP. DP called as degree of a polymerization called as DP. DP means degree of polymerization. So what is the molecular masses? So you know that more the molecular masses of any polymer, more the monomer is present. Clear? Any polymer which contain a more number of monomer, it means it's a tough and it indicates that the higher molecular masses. And more the molecular masses, more will be the DP. DP called as what? Degree of polymerization. It means degree of polymerization depend upon number of monomer. More the monomer, more will be the molecular masses, and more the molecular masses, more will be the degree of polymerization. Clear? But if any polymers which contain a higher monomer and have the higher molecular masses, this reaction does not easily stop. So how to stop this reaction? We take some chemical to stop the reactions. Clear? So any polymers which contain a hydrogen bonding, it's a critical to show the degree of polymerization. It means if any polymers which contain hydrogen bond, it is a critical to what shows the degree of polymerization. It means any polymers which contain hydrogen bond, any polymer which contain a hydrogen bond, it shows the low degree of polymerization. While as any polymers which contain a less hydrogen bonding or absence of hydrogen bonding or any less intermolecular forces or any weak intermolecular forces, it shows the higher what degree of polymerization. What is the reason behind this? Reason is that this hydrogen bond does not easily break. It required a more energy to break. So if any polymer is prepared by monomer, this monomer are break down this bond in between the bond here, we get a what straight chain ring and form the polymers. Clear? Okay. What is molecular masses? Molecular masses is depend upon the number of monomer. More the number of monomer, more the molecular masses, and more the molecular masses, more will be the DP. DP called as what? Degree of polymerizations. Clear? Or why the degree of polymerization of any polymer is less? It depends upon the bonding. If the hydrogen bonding, it's a critical or will be shows the what less or low degree of polymerization. While any compound which contain a what less hydrogen bonding, obsessive hydrogen bonding, or any weak intermolecular forces, it shows the higher degree of polymerization. Clear? Okay. If the any compound if the any compound which contain a less degree of dissociation or less degree of polymerization, it is a weak in nature. This polymer shows the less tensile stress and weak in nature or less elastomer in nature, less fiber, depend upon the polymer, or it is soft in nature. While as any compound which contain a more degree of polymerization So it is a tough in nature. These polymers are tough in nature. Clear? So it's all about the what? Molecular masses and degree of dissociation. Question पूछेगा आपको, what is the effect of molecular masses on degree of polymerization? So what is the effect? Effect that more the molecular masses, more the degree of polymerization, because it depends upon the number of monomer. More the monomer, more the molecular masses, and higher the degree of polymerization. But monomer depend upon the hydrogen bonding. If the polyamide or polyester, it contain a hydrogen bonding, so it form a less degree of polymerization. So any polymer which contain a monomer, you know the polymer first prepared by monomer. If the monomer contain a hydrogen bonding, it shows the less or low degree of polymerization. Or any polymer which contain a higher, which contain a different bonding as instead of a hydrogen bonding, it shows the higher degree of polymerization. Clear? Okay. Now question next. Question number first क्या करना है आपको? Write down the molecular mass and degree of polymerization. जो आपको नोट्स में दिया गया है, सिंपल जो बताया वो नोट्स आपको तैयार करेंगे. ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The critical degree of polymerization is low for the nylon, while higher for the polyethylene. Higher for the polyethylene. Why? In a simple reason that question is to explain the or why the critical degree of polymerization is low for nylon, while higher for the polyethylene. Why or explain? जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा आंसर सिंपल होता है, लेकिन आपको फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऐड करना है आपको. द molecular formula of a nylon 6, it contain a structure of a nylon 6 contain hydrogen bonding. That's why it shows the low degree of polymerization. While as the structure of polyethylene, it does not contain hydrogen bonding. It contains a different intermolecular forces as compared to the what? Hydrogen bond. That's why it shows the higher degree of polymerization. इतना भी लिख दिया 2 लाइन तो आपको मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं. केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स में आपको ये याद रखना है बेटा, जितना क्वेश्चन पूछा उतना ही लिखना है. क्लियर? ओके. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या आपको? ठीक है. So it's all about the what first we discuss here, the preparation of what viscous rayon, how to prepare. We take the what some introductions. And then next is the chemical reactions and its uses also. Next we take the what here difference between the molecular mass and the degree of polymerization. एक क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेगा आपको? Define the molecular masses in the polymerization or define the degree of polymerization in the polymers. कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा आपको तो आपको जो बताया वो लिखना है. रीजन पूछेगा why the any polymer which contain a hydrogen bond shows the low what degree of polymerization. You know answer is that what? Answer is that it depend upon the hydrogen bonding. More the hydrogen bonding, less will be the degree of dp. dp called degree of polymerization. And it does not contain any polymer hydrogen bonding. It contain a weak intermolecular force, which shows the higher degree of polymerization. Clear? Okay. एक क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसे जाएगा कि which monomer are used in the different types of polymer like the nylon 6, nylon 6 and polyester or any types of polymers. तो मोनोमर्स भी आपको याद रखने, इसके मोनोमर्स की नेम स्ट्रक्चर याद रखने. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन पूछेगा which if you prepare the nylon 6, which is a molecule, which is a repeating unit of these nylon 6. Any question? The repeating unit called as what? Repeating unit is called as the second step, first step of the preparation of polyethylene. Clear? Okay. Okay. For example, preparation of polyethylene. Polyethylene are prepared by ethene. How to prepare ethene? How to prepare ethene unit here? So this CH2 double bond CH2 called as what here? Ethene monomer is further reacted up polymerization. So what we get? We get CH2 single bond CH2. It is called as RU. RU called as repeating unit. याद रखो बेटा स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप, जो रिएक्टेंट में जो मोनोमर में बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है, तो ब्रेक होने के बाद जो भी तैयार होता है कॉम्प्लेक्स, क्या बोलते हैं, रिपीटिंग यूनिट। एंड दिस फर्दर रिपीटिंग यूनिट इज व्हाट, बिकॉज द पॉलीमर फॉर्म does not form the one monomer, it formed by the thousands of monomer are which is repeated to each other, it is called RE. It may be question asked in asked as a preparation of nylon 6 nylon 6 कोई पूछे आपको, repeating unit called as the reaction arrow के बाद में जो भी आते हैं प्रोडक्ट को बोलते हैं रिपीटिंग यूनिट। अब रिपीट करना है आपको, व्हाट वी गेट, और आगे सेम रिएक्शन आएगी, यहाँ पे लगाना है, एंड कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, पॉलीथीन। क्लियर? ओके, बिफोर एन मोनोमर, आफ्टर एन पॉलीमर्स, और जो बीच का आगे से क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, रिपीटिंग यूनिट। ओके, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द वर्ड क्लियर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अ विस्कस रियोन। क्वेश्चन आ गया आपको बेटा कि विच इज द रिपीटिंग यूनिट ऑफ नायलॉन 66 पॉलीथीन। तो जो फर्स्ट स्टेप में जो भी आता है एरो के बाद का, उसे क्या बोलते हैं, रिपीटिंग यूनिट, और उसके बाद उसको रीअरेंज करके क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग, उसका प्रोडक्ट लिखते हैं। ठीक है, ओके, क्वेश्चन कैसे भी है इजीली आपको सॉल्व करना है, और जो भी अभी तक आपका टॉपिक हो गया उसको आपको सभी को नोट्स प्रिपेयर करना है। ठीक है, ओके, क्लियर। अब इसके बाद में टॉपिक बाकी है हमारा, एक दो टॉपिक बाकी है, कल जो आगे का लेक्चर रहेगा आपका उसमें वो एक दो टॉपिक उसको हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे, बाद में पूरे चैप्टर को एक बार रिवाइज कर लेंगे। क्लियर, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।